Good morning. Today we are going to give you a demo on besan ke laddu. As you know, besan ke laddu is a dish from the northern part of India. This is very famous in western part also. Besan ke laddu is a holy dish which is offered to various gods and goddesses, and this is a very tasty preparation. We will show you what are the ingredients which are normally used for making besan ke laddu. Let us have a look. The main ingredient we have got the Bengal gram flour, that is besan, then ghee, then powder sugar, and ultimately we have got the green cardamom powder. So what we will do is, we will take an iron kadai, roast the besan in slow flame so that the raw flavor goes off. After that, we will add ghee into it. Once again, we will continue with the roasting process. When the roasting will be up to the satisfaction of the chef, we will add the powder sugar and the ilachi powder, and when the temperature will reduce little bit, then we will take a little portion of it and make a ball. We will show you how the mixture looks like after the cooking is done. So let us have a look at the kadai. Our kitchen team has already made the preparation. This is the preparation which has been made in the exact way as I have discussed you earlier. Just have a look at the mixture. Now what we will do is, we will just wait for like cooling it down. After the temperature is bearable, we will make a ball out of it, and all the balls will be arranged just before service. Now we will see the mixture of the besan laddu, which is almost ready, and all the ingredients have been mixed up. So we will show you how the sugar powder is mixed. We will add as per the requirement. Then we will add some ilachi powder into it for the purpose of flavoring. The things have been done. Now we will mix them together. Make sure that all the ingredients are mixed properly. The color will also change. It will give you a crumbly texture. When it is almost done, we will hold it in hand . So we see how the balls have been made. There can be little bit problem at the time of making the ball. Maybe the crumbs will stick to your hand. So from time to time, you have to clean it. Now just have a look at the final preparation, how the mouth-watering dishes are just waiting for you it to be consumed. So this is the final preparation. So I am very much grateful to each and everybody, specifically our chef Sri Brij Mohan Gabrani ji and our other staff members. So we have learned many things. Thank you.